Okay, hello Victor, welcome to the meeting. Today we will be discussing the application you developed, Natural Studio. This conversation is a part of a short podcast series aimed at guiding younger individuals in the software development field. We will be focusing on software development methodologies, specifically in the relation to your application. Let's begin our discussion. So, hello Victor, kindly introduce yourself.
Okay, my name is Ihejiadinma Victor. I'm a software engineer specialized in building and developing AI-powered multimedia software applications for Microsoft Windows operating system. I'm the developer of Natural Studio. I'm from Nigeria.
Okay, Victor. Now we will be moving towards a little bit demonstration. So I would like to ask you that would you be able to provide a virtual demonstration of Natural Studio? It would be great if you could share your laptop screen to showcase the application and its feature for our audience.
Oh, currently this podcast I'm attending is using a mobile phone.
If you are comfortable, so you can also join your laptop, so it will be beneficial for us as well, if possible. So you can.
This is recording tray. If you want to record from there, you can record from the recording tray. You can stop it as well. You can quit the recording tray. You can record audio if you want and all that. Okay, let me proceed to building tools. Now, these are the building tools Natural Studio have. When I talked about building tools, these are the building Natural Studio have. Wait. Okay, this is audio. This is AI video joiner, artificial intelligence. This will help in joining videos together using AI video joiner. We have many effects. We have smooth left join effect, wind left join effect, reviewed join effect, visualized join effect, and dial left join effect. Now, this silence, we have silence video joiner model and audible video joiner model. This silence video joiner model, helps in joining videos that has no audio sound, maybe silent video. When you want to record video in the studio, if you must use this silence model, then you first of all toggle this capture audio off. Once the capture audio is toggled off, then you can do your recording. After recording, you can use silence to join it. Turn it off, turn it on, turn it off, turn it on. Now, if you must use Audible, you must turn this on to be able to record system audio. The audio recording was from Windows 8.1, 64 bits and above. Windows 8 only, 64 bits only, must not and will not work with this. Turn it on. You must turn this off to record your screen with Natural Studio on Windows 8. If you want to record audio, you must use Windows 8.1 and above. Okay, we have many tools. We have video manager, video resizer, crop video, video volume, video brightness, mirror video, black and white video, trimmer, audio extraction, audio manager, audio remover, audio volume, loop, add video audio synchronizer. Synchronizer helps to synchronize audio in case there's any asynchronization after your recording. So these are the features Natural Studio has to offer. It also comes with buttons for help. If you want to know how to use a particular features or tool, you can just use the help. Then we'll be uploading videos on how to use some of these tools for non-technical users, for people that don't know how to use it. Once the person come to this drop-down button, you can select general video help, click on it, it will send you or the user to our YouTube channel. Now, if anybody wants to join videos with Natural Studio or want to merge video in Natural Studio, that person must first of all arrange whole videos in a folder. Once the whole video is arranged in a folder, the person can now open a numbering. This is a numbering button. Click on numbering button. This will help you to arrange the video according to where you want it to be merged or joined. We only support 90 videos in a folder. Maximum 90 videos in a folder. This is not very massive, but we try to support it. Virtual Studio can join video as large as such number. So this is all I have to say for now about Virtual Studio. I'm uploading some of the videos in YouTube on how to teach non-technical users how to use it. If you want to drag this window, you can click drag control. Everything is documented and very easy to use.
Okay, Victor, got it. Got it, Victor. As per your demonstration, it's looked like you have given a lot of light on the concept of screen and audio recordings. It is very evidential that it provides a ton of features in terms of screen recording, which can be a lot beneficial when it comes to the perspective of students, like as students as well as I think it will also be beneficial to the teachers as well, because if they want to demonstrate any concept and wants to share their lecture via digital media, then it will be a lot beneficial tool for them.
This is all I've said. I have said my
Question. The next question that I'm about to put up is a very descriptive one. So I want to ask that what are the technologies that are used in the development of Natural Studio?
the two applications remain in high demand due to their performance, efficiency, compatibility, and the mature ecosystem supporting them. Their relevance is maintained by ongoing support from Microsoft and the critical role they play in various industries and enterprise use cases. Now, going to frameworks and front-end technologies. I use skillXarcadia, a custom skillXarcadia for Natural Studio front-end. Library. Natural Studio was developed using additional functionality and library like OpenCV. Now, what is OpenCV? OpenCV is the open source computer vision library. It's primarily used for real-time computer vision and image processing and video analysis. It provides a vast array of tools and functions for various tasks. Like one, image processing. Operations like filtering, transformation, and geometric manipulation, one of the work of OpenCV. Object detection, identifying and locating objects within images or videos using techniques like deep learning models. Facial recognition, detecting and recognizing human faces in images and videos.
Okay, Victor, that's very informative from your side. Now, the next question is that can you please elaborate some benefits of Natural Studio for students?
Students can record lectures, review them later, which is particularly helpful for complex subjects or when revising for exams. This can enable students to record the lectures and later review it. Number two, I'll be listing maybe 5 or more exam benefits of Natural Studio for students. Number two, study aids. With Natural Studio, students can create, record their own study materials by recording explanations, solving problems, or summarizing topics. This makes it easier for them to review and retain information. Number three, we have presentation practice. With Natural Studio, students can record their presentations. This is particularly helpful to help them to practice, improve their public speaking skills, allowing them to review and refine their performance. I have number four. That's what is called online learning. Maybe now in a remote learning environment, students can use Natural Studio to record virtual classes and tutorials. This ensures they don't miss any critical information due to connectivity issues or other interruption. What I mean by connectivity issues or interruption is maybe network issues and all that. When a student is recording or is learning a tutorial, maybe a live tutorial from YouTube, for instance, and that student is having a network problem, he or she might not be able to understand in full what the instructor is saying on that online platform. But with the help of Natural Studio, this will enable the student to record what the instructor is saying, whether the person is trying to resolve network issues. Once he or she has recorded what the instructor is saying, he or she can go back and review the video, play it, and understand it in full. So again, I have self-paced learning. Students can use Natural Studio to record and to learn at their own pace, pausing and replaying as needed to fully understand the video lectures. This also helped. I also included a built-in media player in Natural Studio. That built-in media player in Natural Studio can help students to also play the video on a computer if they wish. They can record the video, record the tutorial, and later play it back. Reference materials. Students can also record sections, serve as a valuable reference for future courses. Are you still there? Okay. I can get you now. Okay, number one is programming language. I use Natural Studio was primarily developed using Python with additional functionality and library written in C and C++. Number two, API and integrations. Natural Studio was developed using Winter2 API. I will explain a little about Winter2 API. Winter2 application or API is a type of software designed to run on Microsoft Windows operating system using the Winter2 API, application programming interface. This Winter2 API gives the necessary functions for managing Windows files, graphics, input devices, and other systems components. Also, this API enables to add an interaction with a software, hardware, drivers, and firmware as well, using the operating system, Windows operating system. Now, I have quick analysis of Windows Winter2 applications, or Winter2 API. Compatibility. This API is designed to run, or this Winter2 application is designed to run on 32-bit and 64-bit versions of Windows. Winter2 applications are typically written in a programming language like Python, C, and C++. This API can range from simple utility software to complex software with graphical user interface. API access. Utilizing the Winter2 API for system level operations such as memory management, process control, networking, interaction between hardware and software. This Winter2 API gives a software access to all this. In our recent world, or in our today's world, Winter2 API or Winter2 applications remain in high demand due to their performance, efficiency, compatibility, and the mature ecosystem that supports them, both software and hardware drivers. Their relevance is maintained by ongoing support from Microsoft and critical role they play in various industries and enterprises today. You know, Winter2 API has been a very well professional API. I think about last 2 years or last year, Microsoft supported uploading Winter2 API, fully support with uploading Winter2 applications to Microsoft Store. That is a very good improvement, and which shows that they are really supporting this Winter. I use Tkinter and custom Tkinter for Natural Studio front end. Libraries that I use, one of the libraries I use is Natural Studio was developed using OpenCV. This is an additional library, OpenCV. OpenCV is primarily used for real-time computer vision, image processing, and video analysis. It provides vast array of tools and functions for various tasks: image processing, object detection, facial recognition, video analysis, and so on. Currently, I'm hosting Natural Studio on Seller.co. These are all technologies used in Natural Studio. Thank you.
Pardon me for the background noise. Okay. Thanks a lot, Victor, for your kind information.